Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. Have your original PAN and Aadhaar ready. Scan a passport photo and signature. Once done, locate proof of identity and address, passport, voter ID, or utility bill, and prepare a dated affidavit if the PAN is lost. Make sure to note the reason for cancellation, duplicate, incorrect details, or migration. This reason dictates the form to file and documents required, so arrange them before you access the portal or visit the center. You now carry out the complex middle steps. Go to the NSDL or UDITSL portal and choose the PAN cancellation or surrender option. Fill the form carefully, enter the PAN to be canceled, select the precise reason code, and upload scan proofs. Once uploaded, pay the processing fee online, keep the transaction ID. After payment, generate and save the acknowledgement. Make sure to print the receipt and the filled form. You will need them to track status or submit any physical documents at a facilitation center. Finally, you apply for the new PAN and finish the task. Start a new PAN application, enter the corrected or updated details, and attach current proofs. If asked, reference the cancellation acknowledgement. Pay the application fee and complete eKYC using Aadhaar OTP if available, or mail printed documents with signed forms. Once applied, track status using the acknowledgement number. Troubleshooting tip: if processing stalls beyond advertised times, call the portal helpline and email both the acknowledgement and payment receipt. Escalate with the grievance number if unresolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.